Hello, investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
Last week, the PSEi rallied as high as 6,829.97, in line with our estimates. However, sellers took advantage of the market's rise as shown in the wick of last Friday's candle. This move brought the index to a close of 6,791.69. Month-to-date, the PSEi has already gained 5.92% and 10.28% from June lows. The indicators we monitor show that the rally has a strong momentum, but let's be cautious as the RSI nears overbought reading. A consolidation or correction may take place when this level is reached.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
ACEN Corporation. ACEN broke out of two key resistance levels in May. 1. Its downtrend drawn from 2021 peak, and 2. Its 200-day SMA. Following the breakout, the stock consolidated and formed a flag, which is considered a continuation pattern. If ACEN breaks out of this formation, we can open a position when it trades at 5.0. Our target is set at 7.18, which is derived from measuring the height of April 16th low and May 16th high. For risk management, place your stop level at 4.48 or just below the pennant of the flag.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.